You click this video because you seen money. I showed money for you to click this video. Lucky for you, bro, I'm about to show you how to make money on YouTube. About to show you how to start getting paid on YouTube step by step. If you don't know who I am, man, my name is Avery. I done built, at this point, probably like 5, 6, 7 YouTube channels that got monetized and that make money, right? All of them got my face on it. I'm not no faceless YouTube nigga. I make videos. You know me. You see my face. I be going out in public and niggas be like, damn, Avery, what's going on? Let me take a picture. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't no faceless nigga, bro. I make money from, yeah, you get it. So I'm about to show you guys step by step how I do it, because every time I do it, it gets faster and faster and faster and faster. My first channel, it got 1 million subscribers now. It took me like 2 years to get monetized. My second channel, it probably took me like 2 months to get monetized. My third channel probably took me like 2 weeks to get monetized. And now I just started a brand new channel, bro, no cap. I've monetized like 2 other channels before this one that I just started, but I just started a brand new channel and it got 20,000 subscribers. And my first video, no cap, my first video on that channel is about to get me monetized off that one video. And I'm about to show you the step by step. I'm about to shortcut so many processes. So if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to get so much game. You're going to get so much knowledge. You're going to get so much from it. So make sure you stay. If you want to start getting paid for YouTube, I got something special for y'all. You just got to stay to the end of the video. Okay, cool. So number one, if I wanted to start YouTube today and I wanted to get monetized ASAP, the first thing that you should do is to study. Before you post any fucking thing, before you post a video, understand what type of videos you like to watch, understand what type of videos other people like to watch, understand what type of videos that you wouldn't mind making. Study the platform. The reason why we study, we want to do market research on the things that work. For example, if you were starting a business, would you start a business in something that people don't even want to buy? Probably not. Why? Because nobody's going to buy it. Same thing with YouTube. You don't want to start a channel of something that nobody watches. Ain't nobody gonna watch what you posting, gang. You know what I mean? It seems like common sense when I say it like this, but sometimes you be needing somebody to break it down in these terms. Study before you post. Understand the things that you like to do. Understand the things that you like to watch, because these things is gonna come in handy, especially in the beginning stages of YouTube, because you want it to be fun. Something that a lot of people kind of don't talk about in this space is having fun with the videos that you do. I'm literally, as you can tell from these videos, I be having a blast. I be having fun. I be talking for like 20 minutes straight. And I be like, damn, that felt like 5 seconds, because I'm having fun. The more fun you can have doing it, the better the process becomes. And at that point, when you fall in love with the process and not the result, bro, you can do this shit every single day. You know what I mean? A lot of people ask me, hey, B, how you don't burn out? What's the burnout? My nigga, what do you like to do, right? If you like to play tennis, and I said, hey, let's go play tennis today, you're going to be like, yes, let's play tennis. I'm going to be like, hey, let's play tennis tomorrow. Yes, let's play tennis. We could probably play tennis for 100 days straight. You won't burn out because it's something that you love to do. Your ass don't burn out eating fucking chicken wings, do it. Why? Because you like to eat chicken wings. You don't burn out of shit that you like to do, bruh. You only burn out at jobs that you hate, at that fucking 9 to 5 that you don't like to do. That's where you burn out at. You see what I'm saying? You're going to burn out doing the shit that you don't like to do. So before posting anything, understand 2 things. 1 thing, is this something that I would like to do? 2 things, is this something that somebody would watch? If you got those 2 things out the way, bro, congratulations. I guarantee you, you will make it, my nigga. That's the first 2 things that you got to get out the way. Okay, cool. Now that you got that, step number 2, right? Step number 2, we're going to devise a plan, which is a system. We're going to devise us a system that makes this shit effortless. I'm about to give you an example, right? I'm about to ask y'all a question at home. Answer this question truthfully, right? You got a shirt on right now. Some of y'all might not got a shirt on. You probably naked. But 9 times out of 10, you got a shirt on. Except for that one dude right there eating his chicken wings with no motherfucking shirt on. Everybody else got a shirt on. Okay, cool. You got a shirt on. Let's say you drinking some Kool-Aid and you spilled it all on your shirt. You like, damn, my shirt dirty. Would you A, take the shirt off, put it in a washing machine, wash that one shirt? Or would you B, take that shirt off, put it in a dirty clothes hamper, and wait till you get a lot of clothes and then wash all the clothes together? If you are a functioning human being, you probably said B. That is a system. That is a system for a reason. A system make things easy. A system make things efficient. We want to make this YouTube thing efficient as possible because when it's efficient, it works for a long period of time, right? So devising a plan looks like something of, first off, what does my day look like, right? When I used to work a job, I hadn't worked a job in like 6 years, 2026 right now. Going on 7 years, I hadn't worked a job, right? I've been doing YouTube full time for that long. So I think I know what the fuck I'm talking about, guys. When I worked the job, I knew when my job hours was, right? And I don't shit on jobs, bro. Jobs give you structure. You know what I mean? That job is lit because it gave you some structure, bro. Start appreciating that shit. And it give you money, bro. Use that money for something good, gang. You know what I mean? I knew when I worked. I knew when I got in, clocked in. I knew when I got out. I knew when I clocked out, right? And I also knew the time that I had to spare, right? If you got a 9 to 5, what are you doing from 5 to 9, gang? I knew what time I had to spare. I knew, okay, X, Y, and Z got to get done. A, B, C got to get done, right? If you want to make videos for a living, you have to work as hard as you work on at your job on your videos, bro. If you put in more effort into your job than your thing that you want to become your job, it's not gonna work, gang. It's not gonna work. And the best way to do that is to devise a plan in the system. So I knew when I clocked in and when I clocked out. So I knew that after that is when I had time. I knew my off days, so I knew that's the most time I had to do this, right? So let's give a mock schedule in a mock system. Let's say somebody worked Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they off, right? Monday through Friday, they work from 9 to 5. A good system for that person would be to wake up at 6 o'clock, because if they wake up at 6 o'clock, guess what they can do every day? They can plan their videos. They can strategically study the stuff that they want to do, right? They can do that Monday through Friday, not no crazy shit at all. On Saturday and Sunday, they can record a fire ass video. On Sunday, they can edit that video and then they can post it for the week. Now you posting once a week, a good ass video. Once a week is pretty consistent, gang. You know what I mean? And if you really like that, bro, once you get off work, you can start recording videos. You can edit videos. You record a video Monday, edit a video Tuesday, post a video Wednesday. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. You just devise a system that works based on your schedule. And I'm trying to be as vague as possible because everybody has a different schedule. Everything works based on what's happening in your life because you still got to make your money, gang. You know what I mean? You can't I'm just going to follow my passion with no fucking money. You can't do that, gang. You have to make your money first, and then eventually your passion is going to be your money. And until your passion making you money, bro, you got to have you a beautiful system that works with your schedule, right? Step number three, obviously, is you have to make videos. And you have to make a lot of videos because in order to start getting paid on YouTube, you have to make videos and see what your audience likes from you, see what your audience wants from you, see what your audience watches from your channel. Make videos. My ideal number of videos is 100. Make 100 videos. And on all these 100 videos, you're going to do step number 4. Track your stats in your analytics. Track the things in your YouTube studio that's going to push the ball forward, that's going to move the needle forward. If you want these exact trackable steps, by the way, this list is very, very condensed and condensed because I want to basically give you the essence. If you want a full breakdown of everything I'm saying, I literally have a step-by-step blueprint in my YouTuber University community that starts with the foundation, step number 1, all the way to step number 7, which is job exit. I teach you how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to quit your fucking 9 to 5 and do YouTube for a living. Not only have I did it, a lot of people in my community doing the same thing. We getting 1,000 subscribers over there like it's hotcakes. If you got less than 1,000 subscribers, YouTuber University is definitely for you. If you got more than 1,000 subscribers but still work a job, YouTuber University is for sure for you because we teach you how to quit your job and do YouTube full time. So number 4 is track your stats, your analytics, your retention graphs and stuff like that to understand what works and understand what doesn't work. You know what I mean? So to backtrack everything, number 1 is to, before you post, study. Number 2 is to devise a plan, a system in order to make things work. Number 3 is to actually make videos, make you a lot of videos. Number 4 is when you make those videos, actually look at the stats, track the analytics, see what works, see what titles work, see what thumbnails work, see what doesn't work. For example, I know if I showed y'all money, y'all gonna click the video because y'all niggas want money. You know what I mean? Am I lying? You want money, gang. You know, so you probably just click that video just because you seen some racks. And step number 5, last but not least, apply for monetization. Because if you did all these steps and you posted a lot of videos and you actually track what happened from them videos, you found you an outlier video. And finding you an outlier video, you can do it again, revamp it, do what you want to do. People gonna watch it, people like it, and you got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now you can apply for monetization. The only bad part about this is I don't know how long that's gonna take you. It's gonna work. I don't know how long it's gonna take you. So if you want to shortcut that process, click the link in the description, join YouTuber University, and come talk to me where I'll audit your channel. I give you the step-by-step blueprint, and I go in detail on how you can make this money on YouTube. Link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.